Imagine turning your TikTok scrolling into a money-making machine. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we're unlocking the secrets that could make you the next affiliate marketing guru on TikTok. Miss this, and you might just miss out on the gold rush of our digital age. Stay tuned. TikTok isn't just a platform for viral dances and lip-sync battles. It's a vibrant ecosystem where content creators and brands harness the power of trends to drive engagement and revenue. At its heart, TikTok thrives on the diversity of its user base, an exciting mix of millennials and Gen Z, making up a whopping 60% of its users. These are the generations reshaping buying trends, championing authenticity, and seeking content that resonates on a personal level. Now, consider the power of viral challenges, catchy music snippets, and captivating visual effects. These aren't just elements of fun, they're the building blocks of successful content on TikTok. By understanding these dynamics, affiliate marketers can craft campaigns that don't just reach an audience, but engage them deeply. But what makes a trend worthwhile? Is it the number of likes, the creativity of the content, or how it resonates with viewers? And importantly, how can you, as an aspiring affiliate marketing guru, leverage these trends to captivate and convert your audience? What strategies will help you stand out in a sea of content and create viral moments of your own? Keep watching as we explore how to tap into the pulse of TikTok's vibrant community and turn those endless scrolls into endless opportunities. What trend have you noticed that caught your attention lately? Creating engaging and convertible content on TikTok might seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies, it's incredibly achievable and can be a lot of fun. The first step is to understand your audience deeply. What makes them tick? What problems do they face that your affiliate products can solve? Tailoring your content to answer these questions makes your videos not just entertaining but useful, which is a goldmine for engagement. To seamlessly integrate products into your TikTok videos, storytelling is key. Instead of blatantly advertising a product, weave it into a narrative. Share a personal story or a clever scenario that showcases the product's benefits in real life. This approach feels less like a sales pitch and more like a recommendation from a friend. Now, the call to action CTA is where the magic happens. It's your moment to convert that engagement into action. Be clear, be compelling, and most importantly, be direct. Instead of a generic link in bio, try something like "swipe up to solve this now" or "check the bio to start your adventure." It's direct and imparts a sense of urgency. Leveraging TikTok's features, such as direct links in bio, stitched videos, and popular hashtags, can massively boost your content's reach and engagement. Hashtags, for instance, are not just tags, they're gateways to communities. Find the ones that resonate with your audience and your content, and you'll find a goldmine of potential viewers and customers. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course, tailored to shift you from planning to action. This course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course now, access your blueprint to success, and start your journey to financial independence today. Lastly, engagement fuels TikTok. Engage with your viewers by asking them questions, replying to comments, or even featuring their responses in your videos. This creates a vibrant community around your content, making viewers more likely to engage with your calls to action. Now, think about the last product you saw in a TikTok video. Did the story draw you in? What made you want to learn more about that product or even purchase it? Share your thoughts in the comments below.